Abhishek. Welcome back to the one more video tutorial of a Phonegap. Okay, this is the most important video tutorial because today we're gonna see how we can manage the database inside the Phonegap application for Android and iOS. Okay, nowadays the major questions if you decided to create an application in Phonegap. Okay, so here the major question is how you can manage the database upgradation. Okay, suppose you have released your first version of mobile application as in 1.0. okay, and there you have one table called information in which we have suppose we have 5 columns, okay, for the first release, and now in second release you have one or two columns you want to add to your existing table. Okay, how you can achieve this by using the Phonegap. Okay, so here I have created an example and also hosted on github.com/infologs. okay, if you want to download, you can download it from here, right? Currently I'm going to show you the code for that. Oops. Okay, see, here is the code, right? Okay, but first of all I would like to show you the example installed on Genymotion Simulator. Okay, for that I'm going to install the current build into the simulator. Okay, what will this do? It will create a first version and install into the simulator, and as soon as I click on generate database, it will create the database DB created successfully, and if I click on display, it will display all the information: roll number, roll name, role detail, and role info. That means we have 4 columns. Okay, now we want to add one more column, but before that what I have done inside the code, let's check it out. Okay, so first of all I have 2 buttons. One is for generate database and the second is for display column values, and a div in which I'm going to show you all the details, right? Let's take a look into the generate database. Here is the generate and upgrade database function. Okay, what I am doing here is my database. Okay, and the important thing in this, I am opening this database as a blank version. Okay, and this is my database versions. This is the static, so whenever I release a new application I'll increase the database version. So current database version is 2. Okay, and I'm opening the database as a blank version. So if you see here, I'm using the same object DB storage and checking the version. Obviously I'm opening the database as a blank version, so it will give me the blank, right? So I'm changing the blank version to DB version. The current DB version is 2, so now it will replace a blank version to 2. After that I'm creating a table called demo with the 4 columns, inserting some values inside. Okay, and if I got the error will display, and if the DB successfully created, as you had seen already, we got this message: DB created successfully. Okay, and now the current version will be 2, right? Database version will be 2, so this case will be ignored, right? Cause I have created it for before version. Okay, we're gonna increase it one more time so you will get a clear idea about it. Okay, and now for the second button, it's a display column. Now what the display column will do? Simply it will uses the global version, that is DB version 2, open the database, fire the select query, will get all the details from the database stored in a string assigned to the div. Okay, if we get any error, it will display inside the console, right? Now we have an application already installed in simulator, and now we have a requirement for one more column, right? So what we will do for that. So first of all, in create application, okay, why I'm adding here, I'll explain. Okay, I'm not adding there, I'll explain it later how we can manage that. Okay, so if you focus here, current version is blank and then version 1, and now here I'm adding a one more section that is for parseInt and db storage dot version double equals to 2. Okay, existing version is 2. Then here I'm gonna execute a column like this. I'm gonna set it 2, and the global version now will be set as 3. Okay, because we are releasing a new application. So if you run the application, it will come here. The existing database version was 2, and currently we are going to replace the 2 version to the new, that is the 3. Okay, and now here I'm gonna add one more column, that is by simply SQL statement alter table demo add column roll reference. Okay, as a text, insert into the demo values, extra is ref value, details, and here is the reference. What is the last column? That is role info. Okay, reference info. Okay, and one more column for this reference, that is role reference. Okay, as soon as we click on the button generate or upgrade, we'll get this message, the DB upgraded successfully. Okay, so here the code is ready. Okay, and now let's talk about this query. Okay, now just think what happened if the application, the version number 3 application downloaded for the first time. Okay, for the first time we'll get a blank value as a blank and 3. Okay, so for that we have to add a column here as well, role reference text, right? If someone downloads this application for the first time, so this column will be there. Okay, so here now I'm gonna install this application or upgrade my application on the database version 2. Okay, okay, but before that we have missed one more thing. We haven't displayed this the last column in our div. So just run this. If we got role reference, then we are going to add this into the our string, so it will become a little bit easy. Okay, so just run your application, and now if you see here, the application is ready to run, and as soon as I clicked on generate database, I should get a message that the database upgraded successfully. Yes, the DB upgraded successfully, right? That means the extra column, the newer column is added to our existing database. And now just click on display values, so we'll get a clear idea whether the column is added or not. Okay, if you see here, we have added a role reference here, but the title is not there. For the title, it's a simple, we have missed the th value inside the header. Okay, the simple th role reference. Okay, and now just this application. Now just run this application. Okay, and now click on display values. Now we'll see the header. As soon as you can manage your DB upgradation code, okay, in the different versions, right? But if you want to make it a little bit smoother, you can divide this code into the different methods, okay? Or there is one more details, okay? So you can check whether the column is exist inside a table or not, but for that you have to execute a multiple queries, right? So it will become a little bit clumsier to run the application for the first time, okay? So it's better to use this concept, okay? But there is some issues with these structures, okay? Suppose what happen if I download a fresh application, okay, the version 1, and after that I'm directly jumping from 0 to 2, okay? For that you have to maintain all this extra skipped version inside the latest version, okay? So that should be, you have to take care of it, right? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any comments, any suggestions, just pass it to me, and do not subscribe to my channel, okay? That is youtube.com/webboostings, or you can find all the video tutorials on infologs.in, okay? And thanks for watching. uh, Bye. And I just want to tell you about my video sponsors, dearmountain.com. Just because of them, I'm recording this video tutorial for you guys. Actually, they are running a coding boot camp, and they provided a different kind of courses like a web development, iOS development, and UX design for the full time and after hours. Okay, the main important point, they'll teach you everything that you need to take a job in this field. Okay, so I would like to request to just check out their website, demartin.com, and I have already put down the links inside the description box below. And one more thing, if you do contact with them, just tell them my reference, okay? Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.